Does your Ford make that noise? Do you hate it? Yeah, me too. My Ford Ranger's got a loud pump. So today, I'm going to be testing the Smoke Glide again. This time I'm going to add it to my power steering and see if it'll quiet the power steering pump down. Before I do that, I'm going to use this app to measure what the noise levels are. Alright, so it was a 71 decibel after I turned the steering wheel, and it was a 67 with the truck running. So I'm going to add this Smoke Glide to the power steering pump. The fluid is still there. Yep, it's still there. Let me go ahead and shut the truck down. Alright, I got the truck down. I just gotta open the Smoke Glide. Let's see, it says something, hydraulics. I think it said, let's see, power steering. Come on now. 1 ounce for power steering. So we're just gonna give it we got 12 ounces, so we're gonna get to 11. So let's add some of this magic stuff. Well, that was not a good measuring. Should have put it on flat surface, but let's give it some more. Alright. Could be 1 ounce. We'll never know, I guess. Now I gotta make a long trip. Well, it's not a long trip. I gotta go pick up some parts, and while I'm driving, it's gonna be a good time for the stuff to go through the whole system, and then either tonight or tomorrow we'll go ahead and retest it and see how quiet or loud the pump got. If it stayed the same, if it got better. I don't think it's gonna get worse, but you never know. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so it's been a whole day. I put about 120 miles on the truck, driving around, making sure this Smoke Glide worked through the whole power steering system. It went into the gearbox and power steering pump and all the lines and everything. Now let's find out if it changed. So these are the results, and that's going to be it for today.